In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set campaign on Brevo. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in the Brevo dashboard, how to create an email campaign, choose your audience, pick a template, and schedule the send. Start by signing into your Brevo account and looking at the main navigation. Go to Marketing and then find Campaigns and select Email. This is the area where Brevo keeps all of your email campaigns, including drafts and scheduled sends, so it is the right place to begin anytime you want to send an email to your contacts. Next, click Create an Email Campaign. When Brevo asks what type of campaign you want to create, choose Email. This makes sure you are building a standard email campaign, not another format. Now you will be asked to name your campaign. Type a clear name that helps you recognize it later, such as the purpose of the email or the promotion you are running. A good naming habit is helpful when you have multiple campaigns running at once. After you enter the name, click Create Campaign to move forward. Once your campaign is created, you will set who will receive it. Select your recipients based on the lists or segments you have available in your account. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct group because recipients determine who gets the message. When you are satisfied with your selection, click Save. Saving here locks in your audience so you can focus on the content next. After that, click Design Email. This is where you decide what your email will look like. Choose a template that matches your campaign style and goal, whether that is an announcement, a newsletter layout, or a promotional design. Templates can save time and keep your branding consistent. Select the template you want to use, then click Next. This moves you into the campaign setup flow with that design applied, so you can continue towards sending. Finally, click Schedule. Scheduling is the last step in this sequence, and it is where you prepare the campaign to be sent at the right time. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.